In this session, we will be doing exploratory data analysis of cars data, which will include the data understanding, data clearing, and data exploration, and we will try to take some insights from the data. For this, I will be using a car data set. So let me open the source of the data. So I have the CSV file which is having, so first of all let us try to understand the source data. So I am having a CSV file of car data. So this is a CSV file of the car data, and so let us try to understand this file first. So my first column is car ID. So this is the consecutive number, serial number 1 2 3 4. Then we have this symboling 3 1 2. Then car name, there are some Alfa Romeo, BMW, etc. Fuel type is gas, and then we have this aspiration which can be standard or turbo. How many doors, the number of doors in a car, 2 or 4. Then the type of the car body, then wheel drive, engine location, wheelbase, car length, cylinder, engine size, etc. So all in all, we have quite few number of columns, and at the end we have this price of the car. So basically our objective in this, we have to find out any insight that we can get from this data considering the price. So basically we want to find out what are the factors that actually impact the price, and also we want to find out is there any relationship between the various variables in various columns. Like suppose I want to know whether my price of the car depends on which factor. Is it your car body, or is it your drive wheel, or is it my length of the car, etc. So this is what we are going to do here. Second thing, we also want to find out if there is any value which we need for data cleansing. Like suppose here I can see, like under the engine type, I have this this string which is I don't know what is the use of this one. So we will know when we do our actual, when we will upload this data and do our actual data cleaning activity. So now I'm going to upload this file into our Python, and then we will start the data exploration. Let us now upload the file into the Python, and then we'll play with the data. We'll try to find some insights from data, and we will do some plots. So first of all, as you are aware, we'll upload the library, we'll import the libraries to be used in our programming. Import numpy as np, import pandas as pd, import matplotlib pyplot as plt, and import seaborn as SNS. So let us execute, and now we will upload the file here, pd read underscore csv. What is my file name? File name is car price, which is a CSV file. CSV, execute. So it has been uploaded successfully. So cars head, let us see, let us verify. So first 5 rows have been selected. From this we can say that there are 26 columns. So let us explore further on the data. Cars.info. So here we have around 26 columns, and there are 205 rows in each columns. So from this you can get an idea of the data type of each column. So I have car ID, symboling, which are the int64, then car length, car width are float64, then there are some object data type. Now the tricks for the data exploration is that if there is numeric data, then we can plot box plot, then density curve, density graph, and then we can do scatter plot, etc. But again it will come on the experience and as and when you will start doing the programming for the Python, because if there is a large data set, then you cannot obviously plot the graph on each and every column. Based on the data, based on the source data, you have to decide that which columns are useful and which columns are not useful, and then only you can decide to plot the graph against them. And again it depends on your business decision and